Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Hi, hello. And today I'm Donrix. I will be teaching you how you guys could turn your smartphone into your webcam for free, because not all of us have decent quality camera, not people who are cheap like us or broke. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is to download and install Xsplit Vcam on your PC, and I've provided a link in the description down below of this video. And the next thing that you need to do is to open your phones and install Xsplit Connect on Android or iOS smartphones. I've also leave the link in the description down below. Okay, the first thing that you need to do after installing is to open your Xsplit Vcam on the PC or laptop. Now, I'm currently using my default camera. So one thing that you can do if you use your webcam on default is that you can change the blurs and remove the background, and also change the background. For example, I'm going to turn it into a green screen. So basically that's the fun thing, but you can't remove background. Oh wait, you can't blur background if you use smartphone. Now, if you can see this, you can see that the thing will connect to your phone. It will only be available. Your model of the phone will only be available once you open Xsplit Connect on your smartphone. Now, the next thing is that when I open my Xsplit Connect on my smartphone, and this will appear, and you need to connect it. Now, the next step that you need to do is to open again, and you see that my phone already appears. Sorry, I don't have fancy phone, so I'm going to use this one. And there it is. You can see that this is a view from my smartphone instead of my webcam. And then you can see you can also adjust the brightness. As you can well see, this is the Xsplit Connect on my smartphone. You can adjust the brightness and the mode. You can see that my laptop is connected on the smartphone on Xsplit Connect. And then you can open your Google Meet, for example. I'm using Google Meet right now, but you can use with Zoom and Skype and all sorts. And you can open it. This is actually a view from my default webcam, which is Bison webcam. So you can change the settings to Xsplit Vcam, so that you could change the default to another Vcam, because we want to use the smartphone as our webcam. Yes, because it's not clear. And then the next thing that you can do is to change the setting. You can change it from auto to I don't know, 720p, but I prefer the auto because my internet is not really good at times. And the next thing that you can actually see is that it has changed from my default webcam. It has turned into a very decent quality webcam, which is actually my smartphone. So basically, yeah, that's it. And you can still use the blur tool on Google Meet, for example. So the watermark is it's not really obvious. And also, thank you for watching. That's all for this tutorial today. There's also another thing that I want to share, but I think I would leave it for another video, and that is to remove background using Xsplit Vcam with Xsplit Broadcast, but that is for another video. And thank you for watching again.